Can I survive 24 hours on nothing but these flavored tuna packs from StarKist and a few basic household ingredients? Let's find out. I'm doing the bacon ranch for breakfast, sweet and spicy for lunch, and hickory smoked for supper. Let's see how the day goes, or we'll end up calling out for pizza. So for breakfast with this bacon ranch, I'm thinking about a scramble. Let's go ahead and get 2 eggs cracked here. So I'm thinking the eggs, some cheese, some bacon bits, and of course, the bacon ranch packet. Let's cook. Get those eggs added. Keep them moving. Only 80 calories and 15 grams of protein. Plus the eggs and the bacon that we're using, that's a good high protein breakfast. So get our tuna added here. Get every last bit out of this pouch. All nice and empty. Now we'll crumble our bacon bits on top. Add in our cheese. And serve. And there we have it. In less than 5 minutes and for under $4, we have a high protein breakfast. Just a couple of eggs, some cheese, some leftover bacon, and the StarKist Bacon Ranch Tuna Pack. That is so good. Very mild ranch flavor. Nothing overpowers anything else. You get the tuna, the ranch, the bacon, all very mild and completely amazing. I'm gonna enjoy breakfast, sweet and spicy, and I will see you for lunch. But this one I decided to do a wrap. This one is 90 calories with 16 grams of protein to it. One of the things I'm loving about these packs is that they're not super wet. For my personal opinion, their consistency is perfect. But because they're not overly wet, I went ahead and put together a spicy mayo to start the wrap with. So go ahead and get that laid down. Now for our tuna pack. Ooh, this one smells really good. Let's see here. Oh, that is sweet. That's sweet, and the amount of spice is very, very minimal, and it's on the back end. If you're afraid of spicy foods, I wouldn't be afraid of this one. You can see those peppers right in there. And you can see it's not super wet at all. Now to this, I'm gonna add a slice of romaine that I had laying around, a little bit of cucumber, some tomato, a little bit of red onion, and lastly, a little bit of cheese. Then go ahead and get one side and the other, and roll. And there we have it. That totally works. So there we have it. An amazing lunch wrap for just a few bucks with the sweet and spicy flavored tuna kit. Now don't forget for supper with the hickory smoked pack. With this, I'm thinking I'm gonna do a pasta with like a white cream sauce and some added cheddar cheese. This one is 17 grams of protein and 110 calories. That's got a good smoke to it. That brings back memories of my papa's lox when I was little. This is gonna be good. Melt down a couple tablespoons of butter. Add in 2 tablespoons of flour. We'll get our roux going. There we go. Add in a little bit of milk. Get that all good and creamy. And our Parmesan, a little bit of black pepper. Now at this, we're gonna go ahead and add our pasta. Now into our pasta, go ahead and add the tuna pack. I'm also adding in some red onion, get that all stirred through. And of course you can have this with a green salad or something on the side. A little bit of cheddar cheese on top. And for supper, again, a quick, high protein meal that costs just a few dollars. That smoke comes right through everything. Goes great with the white sauce. Perfect quick supper on a weeknight. I made it through breakfast, lunch, and dinner with just StarKist tuna packs. Without calling for pizza, I did it. I'm trying all the funky flavors from all the different companies. So if you want to follow along on my tuna journey, check out this playlist. And I created a freebie for you with tons of ideas on what to do with all these different packs. The link for it is down in the description. Don't be afraid to try these flavored tunas. They are amazing, they're inexpensive, and you can do so much with them. So cook for one, have some fun, waste none. And I'll see you in the next one.